Welcome to the first edition of Brian's Trail Jerky Reviews. So for my ride today, I picked up at the local Shell station No Man's Land beef jerky. Now I thought this was promising because it was the hot variety. Hopefully you can see that. But in my opinion, this is not hot. It has on the label, which I should have read before, a liquid smoke flavor, which is primarily what's there. From a heat, think of it as if you took Tabasco and you strained away all of the chili flavor or the pepper flavor of it and just left that kind of vinegar behind. That's really what's there. So in terms of heat, I would give it a 2 out of 10. From a consistency standpoint, pretty dry, almost no moisture, a little bit of a shoe leather type texture. I'd give it a 3 out of 10, being kind. And then the drive and eatability of it has some fairly large pieces, and because of the overall dry texture, kind of hard to tear up and bite through to pull a chunk off while you're driving. So from that standpoint, let's call it a 1 out of 10. So that's my review. Overall, probably a solid 2 for this No Man's Land beef jerky, the hot variety. Don't recommend. Thanks for watching my first edition of Trail Jerky Reviews.